Namaste. Welcome to this Valentine's special episode. I am Kaustubh Sharma and today I am going to tell you about how you can automate WhatsApp so that you can send message to anyone automatically at any time you want, that too with just 2 lines of code. With this code you can even schedule WhatsApp messages so that you can send birthday messages or Valentine Day wish to your loved ones at midnight without sacrificing your sleep. So let's quickly move towards the laptop screen.
The code we are going to write in Python language, for which we need to have Python and PyCharm IDE in our system. So here is the welcome screen of PyCharm IDE. So let's quickly create a new project. We want to use latest Python 3.9 as interpreter. So let's change it and previously configured interpreter because I already installed the Python. So let me browse it. So let me change the interpreter. Oh, here it is not coming. Yeah, let me change it to system interpreter, and here you can see it automatically configured. So now let me click OK. Yeah, you can see it is automatically configured. So let me change the name of the project. So let me change it to first project. Yeah. So here you can see a main.py file is created. It is as a sample code, but we have to work on terminal. So let's quickly click on terminal. So let me check that pip is correctly configured or not. So let me type pip. Directly you just have to type pip only and then press enter. You can see there is a list of commands which is presented by it. If it shows these commands, then you can assume that it is correctly configured. So now let me type pip install py kit and press enter. So this is what we needed to import for building our that program, automation program. So Python is a very powerful language. It is also nowadays used in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Actually, it is a base for them. So you should learn the Python because it really is the future for the programming and the coding part. So till it take time to 15 to 20 seconds. So let clear the our main.py slate. Yeah, as you can see, okay, some warning is there. You can ignore all the warnings. Make sure that you won't get any error. If you got any error, you can write down me in the comment section. It's just a warning that saying that you are using older pip version, so no need to worry about it. Firstly, we have to do an important work to send Valentine's message to our loved ones. So now you can quickly move to the main.py. So first let me minimize the terminal, and now let me import the library. Import py.kit. Yeah, you can see the it automatically comes. Now py.kit dot, yeah, that's the power of PyCharm IDE, that it automatically fetches. You can see that it automatically showing me the function. So send what's message and what are the argument we need to pass in it, phone number, message, time, hours, and all that. So let me type send what message. Now we have to type the phone number. Remember to type phone number in the inverted comma, single inverted or double inverted, you case anyone, and type the phone number with the country code. That's very important. And now type the message. So now here after, okay, I have to type Happy Valentine's Day. You can see how much single I am. Happy Valentine's Day. Then here you have to put the time hour, means, so right now to show demo I'll let you put it 5. Remember to put it in the integer only, don't need to put in inverted commas. So let's click play. As you can see in the terminal, it is saying in 16 seconds web.whatsapp.com will open, and after 20 seconds message will be delivered. So let's wait for the program to initiate. You can see that it will automatically open the web.whatsapp.com. Yeah, sure, you have to already log in the WhatsApp, so it automatically open your WhatsApp, and you can see it automatically fetches out that details of that container and type that message. And let's wait for 20. Yeah, after 20 seconds it automatically send the message. That's the power of the Python. You can see it's a very powerful language. I already told you. You can send it to anyone, any of your loved ones. No need to worry, I didn't send it to anyone, I sent it to myself only. So if you want to decrease the waiting time, just earlier we have to wait for 20 seconds. Now if you want to wait for only 10 seconds, then let me pass 10 as an argument. So here I pass it, and you can see okay, because it already that time already happened, so it fetches the next day date. That's why it is showing that much seconds in the terminal. So let me click on stop and rerun again. Yeah, now it is showing in 17 seconds web.whatsapp.com will open, and after 10 seconds message will be delivered. So 10 seconds will be very short because my net is not that much fast, so it will automatically load, and I think it will send because it takes time to load the site. So here you can see, yeah, it got set at exactly at 5:15. You can see the timings.
I hope you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this thing.